guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a review of the new Kate Sparkle jewelry. So if you guys want to see what I got and what's in here, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so probably about a month and a half ago, I was reached out by Kate Sparkle, a jewelry company, and it is a affordable, luxurious jewelry company, and they asked if I wanted to receive any products to try it out, to see if I liked it, and I was like, yeah, of course. I was a little hesitant at first, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm mostly like a beauty review channel and like a tutorial channel. Like I don't really review like fashion stuff, but I do wear like a lot of rings and fashion stuff. Like not only do I wear it on my channel, well, I only wear my rings on my channel, but I do wear a lot of jewelry outside of my channel. So I was like intrigued. The team was very nice and I was really, you know, kind of liked the rings that I saw. So I said, sure, let's go ahead and try this out. I don't know what I'm being sent in here. When they asked me what I wanted to receive, I kind of just gave them like 6 or 7 rings that I liked, and I was like, these are the rings that I like, this is the size that I am, and I said surprise me, so that is what they did. So they did kind of forget about me a little bit. So like I said, this interaction kind of happened back in June, and it's now almost August and I'm just not receiving this box. They did include a second ring that I know for sure because they were like, oops, sorry, like didn't mean to forget about you in the delay. So let's go ahead and dive on into this box. According to the website, it says, why choose between luxury and affordability when you don't have to? At Kate Sparkle, we believe that accessorizing beautifully should be part of every day. By working directly with our jewelry experts and selling directly to you, we were able to create luxurious wearable pieces at a fraction of a cost. We believe that fine jewelry should be both innovative and timeless, which is why we craft pieces that are designed to complement your individual style and bring out your best every day. From elegant and classic styles to from bold signature innovations, we are devoted to bring out your eye-catching sparkle with unmatched value. So when you actually look on the website, you do not only do you see like cool like alternative engagement rings, we see like just rings in general, and so that's kind of what intrigued me. There was like one beautiful engagement ring that I was like, oh my god, that's really pretty, and it's like only like $168, and I'll have the photo right here. It's a really gorgeous ring, definitely really intriguing, but again, it's at a fraction of a cost of what a ring you'd find at like Kay's, Jared's, or Blue Nile or anything like that. So let's go ahead and see what we got in this box. So it's kind of like plain packaging, which I actually do really like plain packaging. I don't want something that's over big and over top. Oh, okay, so on the inside we do have a little note, and it says, thank you for your support. We can't wait to see how beautiful the ring looks on you. Tag us in your reveal using hashtag Kate Sparkle Jewelry so you can share your sparkle with the rest of the community. Cute little note. And then it comes with a cute little bag in here. That's kind of cool. So you can put like your nice little rings in here. And then on the inside, ooh, comes a little postcard. Let's see. Turn that sparkle into a $500 spree. Show us your hashtag Kate Sparkle Jewelry. Take a photo wearing your Kate Sparkle Jewelry and tag your photo with Kate Sparkle Jewelry on Instagram and Facebook to win a $500 shopping spree in Kate Sparkle. That's actually really cool. Pretty neat, pretty neat. All right, so this is how the box looks. There's 2 rings in here. So let's see what we got. All right, so the first ring I'm gonna open up with you guys. Ooh, this was on my list. This one's so pretty. Oh my gosh, let's look at it. So pretty, right? Nice, nice, and it's a beautiful rose gold, and let's see what this says on the website. All right, so this is the chic round lab created white sapphire sterling silver ring in rose gold. It does retail right now for $74. The simplicity of the rose plated gold round cut lab created white sapphire ring is in its true beauty. Delicately centered atop its pointed peave band, this $925 sterling silver ring shimmers in the dainty romantic delight. So pretty. I like that. And on the website it says that there's free shipping and no duties on all orders. There's a 30-day return policy. There's a 365-day warranty, and there's a complimentary gift packaging, so you get the bag and the box complimentary of Kate Sparkle. Legit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. So this is how the ring looks. Super cute, super dainty, really, really nice rose gold. You know how I feel about rose gold. It is my favorite, and I'll go ahead and like put this right over here. Ooh. my gosh. That's really pretty, and it fits very, very nice. I don't know how well the rose gold is coming up on camera, but this is a really beautiful, dainty ring. I really, really like that. And it definitely has a nice little shine to it. Let's take a nice little camera. Definitely has a sparkle to it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, there is a difference between my engagement ring and the Kate Sparkle ring. Now, my engagement ring in the sunlight and in the light does have like a rainbow shine to it because it's a real diamond. This is a white sapphire, so it does have a shine, but it doesn't have like the cool rainbow effect that a diamond would. But it's still a really gorgeous ring, and I'm liking this. Thank you so much, Kate Sparkle. This is really pretty, really pretty. Now, the second ring, let's see what we got. Ooh, this one's really cool. Let's take a little bit of up close. Ooh. That's really nice. Oh wow, this is really stunning in person. Okay, so let's see what this one is. All right, so this is the Crystal Aurora Borealis Cushion Cut Ring in Sterling Silver, and this retails for $68. It says, as a symbol of opulence and glamour, this cushion cut Aurora Borealis cubic zirconic ring, handcrafted in solid 925 sterling silver, is revered for its streamlined design and charming simplicity. This is really, really pretty. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, she's kind of big. She's kind of big. Now, feeling the weight of this, it's actually kind of light. It's not heavy like a typical ring would feel when it has like a real diamond on it. This is kind of on the lighter side, but this is still really pretty. Let me see if let me put on my finger. Ooh, man, she got that glow though. That's really pretty. It is very, very light. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of like gaudy on me. I'm a very tiny girl and I have really tiny hands, and this is kind of huge on my hand, so I don't know how much I'd actually wear this ring. Although it's super pretty, it's just so like big on my hand, and it just doesn't necessarily look right on my hand. But I would definitely say it's a super really pretty ring, and it's so hard to tell on camera. But the way that it shifts and turns, like you can definitely see the Aurora Borealis in this. This is such a really cool concept and design. I'm really liking that. And then it does have the signature 925 in here. I'm noticing that this one doesn't have the engraved Kate Sparkle on the inside. This one right here, I'll put this back in this little box. This one on the inside does have an engraving of Kate Sparkle on the inside, but it does not have it on the Aurora Borealis ring. So this is a really gorgeous ring. I really am liking the concept of affordability when it comes to jewelry. Is this one worth $68? Oh, that kind of sucks. The Kate Sparkle is kind of fading away a little bit. Now, is this worth $68? I personally would not spend $68 on this ring. I probably would actually spend the $74 on this ring right here. I probably would. $68, not necessarily on this ring, just because it's so big and it's not something that really fits my style. It is a really cool concept. My only thing is I kind of wish that Kate Sparkle would branch out a little bit and maybe do some necklaces, do some earrings, some bracelets, because I wear a lot of those every day, and I kind of have my rings like set to how they are, because the rings that I have on my finger now, minus this ring, have a lot of special value to me. They were bought for me from Corey, and I have had this ring for, I want to say like 8 or 9 years. This ring probably about for 3 or 4, and then this ring since we got engaged, and they have a lot of value to me, and I'm never going to take off these rings. And so I think it's such a cool concept to have these beautiful, unique rings as an alternative for engagements, or just a cool, beautiful, luxurious like looking feel. But I just kind of wish they kind of branched out a little bit more and maybe did some necklaces and some earrings that I could like layer up, I can wear, so I could like, I love wearing jewelry like that. But other than that, I do think these are really cool concepts. These are really pretty rings. Like, I'm really living this for this rose gold ring. Y'all already know how I feel about rose gold. I'm a little biased towards this. This is really pretty. I'm really loving this. So thank you, Kate Sparkle, for these beautiful, beautiful rings. So, I kind of hope I did this review okay. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've never done like a jewelry unboxing or review before, so I don't really know like what else to throw in here. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna link everything down below, and I don't really know what else to say other than thank you so much. These are really cool, beautiful rings, and they're really are affordable, and they have sales on the website all the time, and they don't just have like diamond looking rings, they have like alternative looking rings as well. So I definitely would recommend checking out Kate Sparkle just to see what you guys can find on there, because you never know. But But before I end this video, I actually want to do a small little giveaway. So because I was sent 2 rings, normally Kate Sparkle only sends 1 ring to test out and see if you like it. She sent me 2, so I'm actually going to be giving away this little Aurora Borealis ring right here. It is in the size 6, so I do apologize if that is a little bit too small for you. I do have tiny hands, but I still think this is a really beautiful ring, and I'd love to give this away to somebody because as much as I'd love to wear it, it's just so big for my hand. I don't know if it get much use, so I hope somebody out there does enjoy this. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is make sure you guys be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below where I can reach you, whether it be Twitter, email, Instagram. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram at AllieAnn89. Also make sure you guys go over and head out Kate Sparkle Jewelry so you guys can see what other stuff they have. She has an Instagram I'll link down below. Make sure you guys like this video, and that is it. That is all you have to do to be entered in this giveaway. The giveaway ends next Wednesday, August 7th. I'll have the winner listed in my Instagram stories as well as this video description down below. So yeah, somebody out there can get this beautiful, gorgeous ring. So good luck. That is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2 to 3 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head over to my other channel, Our Florida Life, to see all my cool Florida adventures with my wonderful fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye!